Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best adjustable square is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast, carpenter, or craftsman looking to achieve precise angles and measurements in their projects. Whether you're framing a wall, cutting intricate joints, or simply ensuring everything is perfectly square, this tool can be your secret weapon for professional-looking results. Number 5. Triangle Ruler Square Carpentry Combination Tool. Introducing a versatile carpentry tool designed for precision in your woodworking projects. It's ideal for framing, roofing, and stair work, ensuring accuracy every time. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum frame and carbon steel, this tool is built to last. Its robust construction resists rust, providing reliable performance for years to come. This tool features a convenient foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. It comes with a carrying case, perfect for taking it to any job site. Easily measure and mark 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles with this essential tool. It's perfect for making precise cuts and ensuring the flatness of surfaces. Get exceptional value with this comprehensive carpentry square. It's an indispensable addition to any professional's toolkit for detailed and accurate work. From intricate pattern making to basic layout tasks, this tool handles it all. It's a must-have for anyone involved in carpentry and woodworking. What we like. This tool offers exceptional versatility with its foldable design and a generous 24-inch reach, making it perfect for large-scale projects. Its sturdy aluminum frame ensures longevity and reliability. If you're a carpenter or woodworker dealing with framing, roofing, or stair work, and need a tool that's both expansive and easy to store, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The adjustable square is a versatile tool for marking and measuring angles accurately. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and reliable performance for various woodworking projects. The clear markings on the square make it easy to read and set precise angles. Number 4. Mr. Penn 12 Metal T-Square Ruler. Introducing the 12-inch metal T-Square ruler from Mr. Penn. This versatile tool is designed for precision and durability. Perfect for architects, engineers, and artists, it provides accurate measurements for all your drafting needs. Crafted from high-impact carbon steel, this ruler is built to last through countless projects. Featuring large, laser-printed markings on both sides, it offers precise inch and centimeter measurements, graduated to 1/16 of an inch and 1 millimeter. It can be used as a T-square, L-square, or L-ruler, adapting to various tasks. The calibrated T-head measures 8 inches or 20 centimeters, ensuring accuracy in every line. What we like. Built from high-impact carbon steel, this ruler is designed for lasting durability and features clear, laser-etched markings for precise measurements. What people say. The adjustable square is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of woodworking and DIY projects. It features a durable metal construction and a clear, easy-to-read scale, making it ideal for precise measurements and angles. The locking mechanism is secure and holds the angle firmly in place, ensuring accuracy and preventing slippage during use. Number 3. Mr. Penn 12 Heavy-Duty Combination Square. Introducing the Mr. Penn 12-inch Heavy-Duty Combination Square. It's an essential tool for any carpenter or woodworker. This tool features a durable and rust-proof stainless steel blade. It is precisely marked with both inch and centimeter graduations for your convenience. Achieve perfect accuracy with its spring-loaded brass bolt. This ensures your measurements are always spot on. It also includes a brass scriber and a level. These features add extra functionality for detailed work. Easily measure and draw perfect 90 and 45 degree angles. This makes it incredibly versatile for various projects. Whether you're framing, woodworking, or carpentry, this square is designed for reliability. Get precise results every time. What we like. This heavy-duty combination square boasts a rust-proof stainless steel blade with incredibly precise inch and centimeter graduations, ensuring accuracy for intricate work. The inclusion of a spring-loaded brass bolt, scriber, and level further enhances its utility. If you're a carpenter or woodworker who demands high precision for both 90 and 45-degree angles and appreciates the convenience of integrated tools, this 12-inch combo square is ideal. What people say. The adjustable square is a versatile tool for various woodworking and DIY projects. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and accuracy in measurements. The locking mechanism is easy to use and holds the angle securely. Number 2. iGaging Combination Square Set 6 and 12. Introducing the iGaging Combination Square Set, designed for unparalleled accuracy. This set includes both 6-inch and 12-inch rulers for versatile measuring needs. Crafted with heavy-duty hardened steel, its precision-ground satin chrome blades ensure longevity. Experience high precision with every use. The laser-etched graduations are easy to read, making your measurements quick and efficient. No more squinting at faint lines. Meet US standard accuracy and squareness requirements with this reliable tool. It's built to perform to the highest benchmarks. This comprehensive set comes complete with a durable storage case and a foam insert. Keep your tools protected and organized when not in use. What we like. This set provides two high-precision combination squares, a 6-inch and a 12-inch, both featuring hardened, precision-ground steel blades with easy-to-read laser-etched graduations. They are made to US standard accuracy and come with a protective storage case. If you need a reliable and accurate set for a range of tasks, from fine detail work to larger projects, and appreciate the convenience of having both sizes readily available, this set is a great value. What people say. The adjustable square is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including marking lines, checking angles, and measuring distances. It is made of durable materials and is built to last, ensuring that it will be a reliable tool for years to come. The adjustable square is easy to use and adjust, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Number 1. Swanson Aluminum Framing Wizard Folding L-Square T001WZ. Introducing the Swanson Framing Wizard, an innovative 5-in-1 layout tool designed to simplify your work. It combines the functionality of 5 essential tools into one compact device. This versatile tool seamlessly integrates a framing square, miter square, angle finder, saw guide, and tri-square. You get all the features you need in a single, convenient package. Featuring an adjustable sliding tab, it allows for precise locking of the blade. This makes repetitive angle tasks and 12-inch on-center layouts incredibly efficient. Crafted from high-grade anodized aluminum, this tool is built to last. It includes a built-in pitch finder and the signature Swanson diamond cutout for added durability. Mark top and bottom stud plates simultaneously with ease. When you're done, its compact design folds down neatly to fit into any standard toolbox. The high-visibility blue finish is enhanced with precision laser etching. This creates excellent contrast, ensuring your measurements are always easy to read. What we like. This innovative tool is a true multitasker, combining the functions of a framing square, miter square, angle finder, saw guide, and tri-square into one compact unit. Its adjustable sliding tab allows for easy locking of repetitive angles and precise on-center layouts. If you're looking for a highly versatile and portable layout tool that can streamline your workflow and reduce the number of tools you need to carry, this aluminum framing wizard is an excellent choice for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. What people say. The adjustable square is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including marking lines, cutting angles, and checking measurements. It is made of durable materials and is built to last, making it a great investment for any DIYer or professional. The adjustable square is easy to use and adjust, making it a great tool for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.